I've worked at a couple, great restaurants all around the country, ranging from like modern kind of theatrical experiences to sort of just like rustic, refined cooking, like over wood fire. And that's sort of, where I landed a little bit in the middle there, where, Birdsong has sort of taken the approach where we have this kind of refined experience, but it's cooked in a very rustic, traditional way where we don't let the shortcuts of modern technology get in the way of the flavor that we want to bring to our guests. We do a lot of solid fuel cooking, so cooking over fire, seasoning with smoke. We sort of steer away from sous vide cooking and things like that. But in order to make that all happen and take the time in the execution, we need to find efficiencies in the earlier part of our day. So we were looking for a vac machine that, one, was easy to clean, had a small footprint, and just worked consistently, never broke. We landed on the Boxer 35, which is one of the smaller models. And then I did some research and reached out to some of my peers, and they were like, yeah, that is the way to go. One of the most important things when backing equipment and making a decision of what you're going to purchase is how it can be maintained, especially a machine like that where we use it upwards of 50 times a day. The seal bar, which all these machines have, it can release from the machine. So whenever you need to replace the sealing tape on top, or someone spills something over it, which happens time to time, which we don't like, by the way, but it happens. You can take that bar out and you can clean the machine very easy. It seems like a small thing, but when you have a machine, a vac machine in a restaurant that gets used by 10 to 12 different people 40 to 50 times a day, that becomes one of the most important things.